Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're interested in AI-powered virtual assistants but want to try something other than Poly AI, you've come to the right place. Today we're going over the top 3 apps like Poly AI, each offering unique features to enhance your experience with virtual assistants. Let's start off with Mitsuku, also known as Cookie, which is an AI chatbot that's gained a lot of attention for its engaging conversational skills. Mitsuku is available directly through its well-designed website and is widely known for its ability to carry on human-like conversations. Mitsuku is one of the most awarded AI chatbots, having won the Lumiere Prize Turing test multiple times. It's accessible through its website and it doesn't require downloading any apps. Just visit the site and start chatting. Mitsuku is known for being witty, responsive, and fun to talk to, making it a great alternative to Poly AI. The pros are, Mitsuku has an easy-to-use interface, works directly in your browser, and is highly conversational with a fun, personality-driven interaction style. While great for casual conversations, Mitsuku is not a task-oriented or focused on specific voice commands like Poly AI. It also doesn't offer as many integrations with other services or devices. If you're looking for a chatbot that feels like a friend and is available directly in your browser, Mitsuku or Cookie is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for casual, fun conversations, but it might not suit your needs if you're looking for a more practical multitasking assistant. Next on our list is Jasper AI, which is primarily known as a writing assistant, but also offers a conversational AI experience similar to Poly AI. Jasper is powerful, intuitive, and known for generating creative and engaging responses. Jasper stands out for its creative versatility. It can write stories, answer questions, hold conversations, and even adapt to different personalities or tones based on your preferences. Although Jasper is primarily text-based, it's evolving rapidly, and its responses can feel surprisingly natural. Jasper is great at generating content and engaging conversations. With tons of customization options, it's highly rated for its language generation quality. Cons are, Jasper is a paid app, and its subscription can be pricey if you want access to all features. Also, it doesn't yet offer voice-based interactions. If you're interested in a creative AI that can adapt to different conversational tones and even generate unique content, Jasper could be a solid Poly AI alternative. It's ideal for users who enjoy rich text interactions with a lot of flexibility. Finally, we have chatbotdomcom, an AI platform that helps businesses build intelligent chatbots, but it also offers an easy-to-use interface for anyone looking to interact with a smart AI assistant. It has a landing page filled with information and examples, allowing you to explore its capabilities in depth. Chatbot.com features an intuitive platform that's great for businesses looking to integrate AI chatbots into their websites or customer service processes. It includes a landing page with tons of information on how the system works, different use cases, and even templates to get you started quickly. Unlike Poly AI, which is more of a personal assistant, chatbot.com is geared toward automating business conversations, but it can still function as an engaging conversational assistant. It's customizable, integrates with multiple platforms, and offers a wide variety of templates for different needs. Its pros are, it's excellent for creating customized AI chatbots for websites and businesses. The landing page offers in-depth resources and information to help you get started. The cons are, it's more business-focused, so it may not be the best choice for casual users looking for a personal assistant experience. Also, while you can interact with a chatbot, the platform's primary focus is on creating bots rather than just chatting. Chatbot.com is a fantastic option if you want to build your own AI-driven chatbot or engage with a well-designed platform for automated conversations. It's ideal for businesses but can still provide a lot of value to individual users seeking information-rich, structured interactions. And there you have it. 3 great alternatives to Poly AI: Mitsuku or Cookie, Jasper AI, and chatbotdomcom. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.